We all are living on this earth, a beautiful planet, a blue planet, Earth. And Earth is divided into 7 continents. You all know in your previous class that in these 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent, and we are living in Asia continent. Our India, our country is present in Asia. So we must have some knowledge about India, or geography of India, or some political divisions of India. So let's start it with the help of a map so that easily you can understand it. So if we see the map of India, then so many times we are saying that there are 4 sides of India: north, south, west, east. So what are these sides? This side, if we divide it from here, then we can easily say that it's north part of India, and this lower portion is known as south part. And if we divide it from here, then this portion is west portion and this is east portion. The distance from north to south point of India is 3214 kilometers, and the distance from this west point to this east point is 2933 kilometers. It's the total distance of India in all the 4 sides. Now we must have some knowledge about our neighboring countries. India have 9 neighboring countries. Out of these 9 neighboring countries, 7 countries we are sharing our borders with 7 countries. What are these 7 countries by which we are sharing our borders? Number first, Pakistan. Number second, Afghanistan. Number third, China is there. Then fourth, Nepal. Fifth, Bhutan. Then sixth, Myanmar. And seventh, Bangladesh. These are the 7 countries from which we are sharing our borders. And there are 2 countries which are in ocean, and we are not sharing our borders with these countries, but they are also our neighboring countries: Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now these are the 9 neighboring countries of India. Now we have some knowledge about oceans, because India is covered by oceans or water on 3 sides. First, in west side there is Arabian Sea, and in southern side there is Indian Ocean. Now in east portion there is Bay of Bengal. So here Bay of Bengal. Now India is covered from 3 sides: east, south and west, from water. So such land mass, such an area which is covered by water from 3 sides is known as peninsula. So it's the peninsular part of India. The northernmost point of Indian mainland is here. It's present northernmost point. It is known as Indira Col. Now in southern side, here it's last point or last point of Indian mainland. It's known as Kanyakumari. But dear students, it's not the last point, because India has some islands also. Here it's Andaman and Nicobar Island, and here Lakshadweep Island. So in Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar has the last point. You can see that Kanyakumari is present here, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are here. So here is the last point of India. This point is known as Indira Point. Now this landmass or this island is not in existence, because in 2004 tsunami it's submerged in ocean. So we must get knowledge of this point, Indira Point, and mainland Kanyakumari. Now we must go inside our country. India is divided into 6 geographical or 6 physical divisions. We should understand it with the help of a map. From here, if we start from here, then this portion, which include our Himalaya, is known as Northern Mountains. This region is extend up to here. After it, the second part is northern plains, or we can say Gangetic plains. This part includes from here to, it's very fertile part of India. So it is known as Gangetic or northern plain. Number third part is western desert, and that western desert part is present here. It's a part of Thar desert. It is here. So many sand dunes are present here. Next, fourth part is present here in this peninsular part. It is known as Deccan Plateau. This part is triangular in shape. Number fifth part from this east coast, and this is western coast of India, and these part are also known as eastern and western plains or coastal plains, because these are present on coast of India. And the last sixth part is islands. Where are these islands? All of you know that it's Andaman and Nicobar Island, and this is Lakshadweep Island. So these are the 6 geographical or physical parts of India. Here is the national capital territory. Delhi is the national capital territory, and it's present here in this part. Now, after physical division, we must have some knowledge about the political division of India. Politically, how many states are there? Previously, in your previous classes also, you have learned that India has 29 states and 7 union territories. But dear students, from 2020, now in this year, India has not 29 states. India has 28 states. Where is the 29th state? This Jammu and Kashmir. This state is divided into 2 parts, and these 2 parts now become in existence from here to here. It's Ladakh, a new union territory, and it's Jammu and Kashmir, it's a second union territory. So previously 7 union territories. What are these 7 union territories? You must have knowledge of their names. So we must start from here, from newest union territory. This is Ladakh. Number 2nd union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. Then next, Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu has 2 parts. First, Diu is present here and Daman is present here. Then next, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is present below this Daman. After that, the next union territory is Lakshadweep in this side, and then Andaman and Nicobar Island, and next Delhi. Now, one union territory, that is Puducherry. Now you must have some knowledge about this thing, because when you go in higher classes, then you read it. That Puducherry is divided into 4 parts. It's present in 3 states of India. What are these states, or what is the position of Puducherry? So first position of Puducherry is here. It's known as Mahe. It's a part of Puducherry. Number 2nd part, it's present here. This Mahe part is present in Kerala state. Now the 2nd part of Puducherry is present here, Karaikal. It is present in Tamil Nadu. The 3rd part of Puducherry is present. 4th part of this Puducherry is present in Andhra Pradesh. It's present here and it is known as Yaman. So Puducherry has 4 parts. Yaman in Andhra Pradesh. Then main Puducherry is present in Tamil Nadu. Then 3rd part is Karaikal. It's also present here in Tamil Nadu, and the 4th part present in Kerala is present here. It is known as Mahe. The last union territory is Chandigarh. It's present here. Let us revise the name of these 9 union territories. Number 1st, Ladakh. Number 2nd, Jammu and Kashmir. It's present here. Number 3rd, Chandigarh. It's present here. Daman and Diu. 5th, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. 6th, this is Puducherry. 7th, Lakshadweep. and 8th Andaman and Nicobar Island, and the last and 9th is our National Union Territory Delhi, which is present here. So these are the 9 union territories. Now we should get knowledge of our northeast part. The states which are present here in northeast part are known as Seven Sisters state. What are the name of these Seven Sisters states? We must get knowledge that here Arunachal Pradesh, then second one Assam, then third Meghalaya, fourth Nagaland, then Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. These 7 states are known as Seven Sisters. Now regarding population, India has a huge population. It is the second largest country in the world which has a very high population. Okay dear students, today we get a lot of knowledge about India. The next knowledge we should get in next class. Okay, thank you.